Hi, I'm Joanie Spencer, Editor-in-Chief of Commercial Baking, and I am in Washington, D.C. at the Bakers Fly-In and Policy Summit, hosted by the American Bakers Association, RBA, and ASB, and I am catching up with Meaghan Meyer, Senior VP of Regulatory and Food Quality and Safety. Did I get that right?
You got it right.
Okay. For CraftMark Bakery. And Meaghan is also co-chair for the FTRAC committee for ABA, correct?
Correct.
All right, so I want to ask you one question first, and that is, at this Fly-In and Policy Summit, we visited on the Hill with members of Congress today. What was the biggest thing that you got out of it on this visit?
Well, it's really important that the bakers be able to share what our trials and tribulations are within the industry with the members of the congressional party and the senators. And we had a lot of great interactions. We had a lot of great questions back from their staff about the things that we're passionate about and how they can help us ensure that their constituents are having their needs met within their states.
Yes, I had the same experience in the meetings that I attended as well. And one thing that ABA is doing really well is getting the stories of our industry out there to really help promote our industry and its growth. And I think that we are accomplishing that in this fly-in.
Absolutely. It's a reminder that we employ a lot of people in the States, and we're providing food to darn near everyone in the United States eats some type of baked good at some point in their life. So it's important that our congressional leaders understand what laws they make and regulations they put in place impact us as bakers and consumers.
So I also mentioned that you are co-chair of the FTRAC committee, and so that is happening right now too. So can you just share with our audience just one or two things that the FTRAC committee is tackling right now for the industry?
Sure. So FDA just went through a major reorganization, and we had the opportunity to speak with the Deputy Commissioner, Jim Jones, and he explained what that reorganization looks like, how it's going to impact us as bakers, and he was very attentive to some of the top issues that we have at top of mind related to food safety. So hopefully we're going to be engaging with them again soon with some follow-up activities on those topics. Also, some new scientific developments in the grain chain and wheat varieties and high fiber wheat that could impact the health of the world, quite frankly, with this unique ability to increase the amount of fiber that is in everyday baked goods. So there's some exciting science coming out, and it was really nice to hear the innovation that's coming at us.
Now, I really love that about FTRAC because you all are not only attacking policy-related issues, but you're really looking at science and nutrition too, and that's so good for our industry.
Absolutely. So we have to remain innovative to remain relevant, and the bakers are definitely taking that to heart. We want to make sure that we're able to feed the country for forever, right? And make sure that we have food available to people that they enjoy eating, and that's also healthy.
All right, Meaghan, thank you so much for catching up with me, and also just thank you so much for the good work that you're doing for ABA membership and for the industry.
Thank you.